morning and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Anleolife, and I will be reviewing a 8-foot raised bed. But before I start, I want to show you how good God is. About 2 weeks ago, I was speaking with my wife concerning our moving back to the family property. I want to grow in raised beds as opposed to directly into the ground, mainly because it will help me mobility wise. It's difficult for me to bend with the bad knee and all, so I wanted raised beds. She asked me how much that would cost, and I gave her the figure, and she said, well, maybe there's something that we can work out. So later on that day, I checked my email for my YouTube channel, and the company, Anleolife, had reached out to me and asked me would I be interested in reviewing one of their products. So immediately I said yes, but then I started thinking, because I live in a I live in an area that has a homeowners association. All this area that you see behind me, I cannot do anything to it. I can't put any raised beds or anything like that. It has to stay like it is. Yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is. So I asked them, would they be interested in me just filming it, putting it together, and showing what it can do until I move up to my family property. And they graciously agreed. So that's what I'm going to do. So out of the box, you have all the wing nuts and screws, a Phillips screwdriver, the setup directions, a free pair of gloves, and the curved pieces and the straight pieces. So we're going to go ahead and put this together and show you the completed product momentarily. So I have the curved parts connected together. I have the side panels connected, and I just have to go back in and finish connecting them on both sides. But overall, the build is not that difficult. It's pretty simple, actually. So we're going to go ahead and time lapse the finish, the finish, so that you can see what the complete product looks like. And here we are, completely put together. The dimensions are 8 feet by 4 feet by 17 inches. So I can basically bend over and reach and do everything that I need to do in the bed. I like the fact too that it has the company's logo on the front of it. It's very lightweight. Some of the specs on it are, it's made out of galvanized steel. It's guaranteed to last at least 20 years. It doesn't leach or anything into your soil. So overall, although I haven't grown anything in it yet, I'm happy. I got a raised bed that I needed, and I believe I'm going to love it. So overall, it took 30 to 45 minutes to assemble. Not very hard to assemble at all. It's eco-friendly. Like I said, it doesn't leach anything into the ground or into your soil. You can grow food grade stuff in here. The metal is not sharp, has crimped edges, smooth, and it's even. There's no plastic curling or anything like that. And what I also liked about it is that when I was putting it together, I didn't have to take any plastic film off the front or the back of the panels. And really, there's no maintenance needed. It's durable, and it's supposed to last 7 times longer than wood. So, as I stated, I believe that I'm truly going to be happy with this. I am truly blessed and thankful that Anleolife reached out to me. Um, it's just amazing that a couple hours before checking my email, my wife and I were discussing raised beds, and lo and behold, this email pops up and asks me to do a product review of a raised bed. Um, it's truly a blessing, and I'm thankful for it. If you're interested in the bed itself, they come in different heights and different colors as well. I'll leave a link for the company in the description portion of the video. They also have a Facebook website. I'm sorry, a Facebook page, and you can go there as well. So until next time, always remember. Oh, I forgot. Until next time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food, and we'll be growing a lot of food in this thing in the near future by myself, but I cannot grow my channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Leave me a comment in this video and tell me what you think. Initially, I had never heard of the company, but I did some research on it, and it seems to be pretty reputable. So I'm going to take a leap of faith and use their product. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, you are nothing. Until next time,